Welcome back, guys. This episode is going to be the one time in the series that I feel the need to bring it back to current day for a second, and that's because in this episode, this fishing trip, this float trip that we did, is my favorite fishing experience of my life so far, and that's saying a lot. It's really hard for me to say that considering all the fishing that I've done, but it was just an amazing experience. It was the best experience I've had fishing. It was just so surreal to be out there. The GoPro footage does not put it into perspective. It doesn't do it justice at all, but like I said, what you're about to see is my personal favorite fishing experience of my life, and I couldn't have had this experience at all without the help of my friend and fellow content creator who goes by the name of Hates Wanderings. Going to put his channel in the cards in the description. This guy helped us out so much in the UP. He really gave us a lot of spots and a lot of information. We would not have been able to experience these amazing, beautiful places and these awesome fish without him helping us out, giving us some advice and guidance as we traveled across the UP. So huge thanks to him, and I really would appreciate it if you guys help me thank him by going, checking out his channel, and subscribing. You guys will not regret it. He is honestly an extremely underrated channel. His content's super unique. He gets to do all this awesome fishing pretty much all the time because he lives up there. So he creates some really high quality videos with some awesome fish catches. So huge thanks to Hates Wanderings for helping us through the UP, giving us some guidance, and I really think you guys are going to enjoy this. Like I said, the GoPro footage does not do justice to the experience, the solitude, how far out in the wilderness we were getting these amazing topwater bites. Anyways, all that being said, I'm going to get right into the episode. Alright guys, so we just got to the new place that we're staying. We're staying in this little mini cabin thing. It was only a couple dollars more than a tent spot, so figure we may as well go with it. It's going to really help us out a lot. Anyways, we just got here. It's super windy. I don't know if, well, that didn't help at all. Yeah.
Check out the Senko.
Time to go fishing. Anyways, it's super windy, so I want to keep vlogging in here to not ruin the noise. But anyways, we're going to go out in the wind. We're going to fish from shore for a little bit. Then we might take some kayaks out. Not really sure. Multi-species adventure. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. Alright guys, I'm not even completely sure if this is safe to fish, but it seems like there'd be a million fish back here. Just had a big fish boil on my bait. Really want to get back out there. Who knows what that could have been? That literally could have been anything.
This might slay up there. Did you have one on?
Oh, got one.
Look at that. When you weren't looking.
What timing? What timing? What's it gonna be? Little smallie.
Oh yeah. Look what it gets you in the current. I think you got a monster.
Hey, it's not a bad one.
Yeah, it's not terrible. I'm gonna take your spot while you're at it.
Is this?
When my daughter caught the other day when we were here.
Yeah, I'd love.
This thing is a beast. I mean, a freaking beast.
Sweet. Little smallie. First one from this river.
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Ray, this one's a freaking beast.
Seems significantly bigger.
Oh yeah.
Living in his car and fishing out of the kayak.
Huh. Ooh.
Oh yeah, that was definitely a muskie. My line is frayed.
Oh man.
Oh, wow.
I got another one, Seeger.
Yeah, you're gonna keep getting them.
Well,
You may hook into a walleye or two.
I'd love to catch a walleye. Are they keeper size out here?
Most of them.
That'd be awesome. Another little smallie.
Are you steady reeling that?
No, I was jerking it that time. I think a walleye was what boiled on it. It was much bigger. We're hungry tonight. We've had enough smallmouth fights. That might have been 2 and 2 casts. Got one.
Wow.
What in the world? This might be 3 for 3. What's this?
A little bigger.
What's this? The smallie?
It's dark.
Oh my goodness. They're coming out. This one's a fighter too.
They're all fighters.
Oh my goodness, come here. That was 3 and 3 casts. I casted in here 12 times at least and got nothing. There we go, got him under control. Better fish. They're so dark here.
Yeah.
They look nothing like, we've caught so many different kinds of smallmouth this week. This is the darkest one. Got one. I don't know. This is actually potentially 4 smallies in forecasts. This spot, just this little current break, must be absolutely loaded with them. Little jerkbait is really doing good on some decent little smallies, some dark UP smallies. Lots of fun. All right guys, we just got out here to a very wilderness section of river. It took us a long time to get here, a long drag with the kayaks to get down to the water, but this is supposed to be one of the best fishing opportunities of our trip. There's lots of different species here, lots of big fish. Seagull's almost in the river, but that's fine. We put a lot of preparation in this. We're really excited to get out here for an evening bite. We're fishing some topwater bass today, some topwater and some wacky rig Senkos. That's the plan. Multi-species adventure. Hopefully we'll get some good footage out here and some really awesome fish. Got one, topwater. I don't know what it is. Just gonna bring him in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. First real good smallmouth of the UP and got it on topwater. Cannot really beat that. Look at this setting. This is just awesome. Just measured it, 16 incher. Hard to beat that for the first fish of the float. There he goes. Oh my God, I have so much line out. So much line is out right now. It's a good fish though. It's a really nice smallie. That was savage. That was really savage how he threw that. Got him. Just another smallie, I think, not a big one. Nice little blow up though. Right where he should be, behind that rock. I can flip him. Short little bugger. Beautiful setting, beautiful fish. Love it. God, I'm gonna break it. Oh my God, what a blow up that was. I hope you guys can see all this. Oh, I gotta wait. What is that? What is this? This might be the muskie, dude. This might be the muskie. It's barely hooked. Oh God, it's coming at me. Oh my God, no. It's so barely hooked. No, it's a smallie, just a nice smallie. I thought this was actually a little muskie. Wow. We finally made it up to this dam. Just caught a really nice smallie. I hope you guys could see it because I saw him wake and he followed it so close to me. Thought it was a little musky just by the way he grabbed it, but I was really far off. It was just a smallmouth. Nicest one of the day so far. Probably 16 incher, something like that. I'm glad that you caught a fish today though.
Oh, me too.
That is sick.
I've snagged him. We're gonna need a lot of help. All right, this guy's really small. Actually, about the same size as what I caught him on.
Nice.
But we were at the dam, not this dam that we might see in a little bit. We were at a different dam, and a guy said that some kid had got snagged and left the bait, and he ended up retrieving it, and that we could have it. So yeah, we picked this up from that guy just like
off the ground
a while ago. Yeah,
a bait off the ground, and it caught that little fish.
Caught this little dude.
Sick.
See you, buddy.
Oh my God, it's bigger than I thought. Just started recording.
That's really huge. Missed
the blow up because I was literally just walking. Really have a good smallie here. May as well. Oh my, this might be the biggest one. Definitely biggest one. Oh my God, it's huge, it's huge. It is huge. There's barely a blow up, so I'm not mad that I missed that. I just want to get this fish in. Oh my God. Holy crap. Come on. GoPro's about to die too. I hope I don't miss this. Oh my God, it's big, it's big, it's big. It's big and it's landed. Oh shoot. That's a big one. You know, I'm not gonna go measure this fish. I know it's about 18. Really, yeah, it looks like an 18-inch fish. Awesome, dark looking fish. The fish here are just so pretty. All right, I'm gonna let this guy go. We probably gotta get floating back downstream pretty soon. Just another awesome fish for the float. At this point, I'd caught a ton of quality smallmouth and was having a great float, but Seeger was basically almost on a skunk and was really frustrated.
You sent us on a retard mission.
I can't paddle, dude. I can't. But things changed really fast, and what's about to happen is the craziest thing that I have ever seen in fishing. Get ready for some absolute chaos. Oh my God! I'll get the... Open you! Let out some line! Let out some line! It's a huge smallie. Wait, you're gonna grab the... Wait, I'm gonna grab the fish. I hope you got it. So big. I hope you flip it in. No. Flip it in. Oh my God, it's so barely hooked. Get it in. I hope you guys can see this. It's so big. Let out some line. Let out line, you idiot.
I need help. I need so much.
Is he all right? Here, quick, take the knife and cut off the spook. Quick. Just for context, this rod was casted over that power line and the fish blew up. Oh, he's losing his paddle. Oh my goodness, it's a mess. Did you cut it off?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I don't know how well I recorded this chaos, but there's a bunch of power lines up there. Seeger casted across them by accident with the super spook and got blown up on the other side with this huge smallmouth. 17-incher, that's his personal best, and it's just a biggin. It's a really big smallmouth. Seeger's had a long and kind of rough float, I would say. It's been a little rough, and now he's gonna release it, right?
Yep.
Let's see it. There he goes.
There he is.
Nice. What a place we're in right now. We really need to get back to where we launched, though.
Yeah.
Soon. Oh my God. That's so close to me. Oh my God. Something just died. What was it? Okay, the session just died. We have a double right now. Session just died. I still have the chesty footage. Seeger's hooked up over there. I don't know how I'm gonna land this guy. He's huge. This is about a 17.5-inch fish right here. Another giant river smallie. It's been a great day again. Caught so many big smallies this trip. It's really been an awesome time. I'm gonna release this big guy, this big 17-incher. It's getting dark. It's getting dark to see this fish. I hope you guys can see it. All right, here's Seeger's fish. Just kind of stole it from him. It is 15.
Wow, I underestimated it.
We're gonna go back up, try and get a couple more blow-ups because they're really... Wait, was this on the wacky worm?
Yeah.
Oh, he caught this on the wacky rig Senko. Never mind. I'm gonna try and get some more blow-ups. It's been a good day.
He took my damn sinker. I'm gonna put another green pumpkin sinker on.
What?
That's a snag.
How did you snag a wacky rig? Oh my God, what was that?
That wasn't a smallmouth, was it?
I don't know, but it's gone. It was a clean miss. I hope that was visible because the fish is gone. But that actually scared me. All right, guys, so last night's fishing was crazy. We had to get out of there super fast because it was getting dark and we had a long drag to get our kayaks to the car and stuff. It was really just sketchy. We heard wolves.
Yeah, we heard the wolves while we were still on the river.
We had to go.
They were loud.
We had no time for an outro, but anyways, that was a crazy fishing trip. Not huge numbers, but some crazy blow-ups, some really good size. Just an overall good time. And now we're about to move out of this cabin and head to our next spot.